Hello everyone, today I will be making a buttermilk vanilla cake, and this is how you do it. You need 2 cups of sugar, and then you get 1 cup of canola oil, or any type of oil is fine as long as it's fresh. Then you need 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Make sure it's not expired. It's a very moist cake. It's really good. I hope you all enjoy it. Then you whisk all that together until you don't hear the scraping sounds at the bottom of the pan, or the bowl actually. Then you need 2 eggs, medium or large or extra large. It really doesn't matter as long as you have 2 eggs. It'll be fine. And you whisk all that together as well until you don't see any yellow. Then you need salt. No, vanilla, I'm sorry. Any good vanilla is fine. I'm going too fast, but vanilla. And then you stir all that together as well. Then you need salt. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And also baking soda. You need 1/2 teaspoon of that as well. You stir all that together until it's well blended. And then you need cake flour. I use Swan's Down because I like it. 2 cups. I add the first cup first, and then I use the best whisk that I have, and I'll stir it as best as possible because I don't want to add too much, and then it's all messed up and bumpy. So that's the 2nd cup right there. Then you scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure everything is well incorporated. Make sure your work area is clean. That is my bundt bowl. Spray it down with some canola oil, Pam. Spray it really well. And then I add butter as well into the creases and around the middle part. And then pour it in. Make sure you get an even pour as well. It tastes like cornbread batter a little bit, but it's a different flavor, if that makes sense. Then you shake it and hit it on the counter 3 times to make sure there's no bubbles. And then you take it over to the oven, 350 degrees to 35 to 45 bake. And it bakes for 35 to 45 minutes. And I hope you all enjoy.